Well, hello, all you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel, Everything Under the Sun. Ta-da! Today is gonna be a special unboxing. This is for Apple. Oh God, this is so heavy, guys. Okay, so I went to a mall today and I wanted to buy a laptop for quite some time now because, I did not have a personal laptop and I thought, why not Mac? Yes, this is my first laptop, and the first laptop that I happen to buy is Mac. I'm telling you guys, this is the best investment. Oh God, the box is so heavy. Not able to handle this. Okay. Yes. So this retail I paid for about uh, 87,000, but Amazon you get it for 81,000. But I did not want to go through Amazon because I really didn't wanted to buy through website e-commerce, basically, because I wanted to go to the store, check out, and then buy. So before we move out, let me show you. Okay, this is the MRP section. Okay, because I'm not very good with technical stuff, you guys can pause this and see. So this is MacBook Air 13-inch M1 Apple with Apple M1 chip. So basically he told the store guys told me that M1 chip is the fastest chip introduced this year. Ta-da! Oh God, praise the Lord. Okay, so the beauty is here. I'm so excited. I have opened this, okay, at the store. So okay, before we can go to the product, let's see what all we get. I'm sure the camera is clear. Okay, we get this charger cable. Okay, the charger cables are quite different from the other laptops. These are your basic C-type cables, and the charger is different for all countries. I've seen for India it is like this. Okay, USB-C power adapter. So can you remove this? I don't think so. You can remove this. Okay, so this is such a small charger. Otherwise for Lenovo have such big chargers. So this is designed by Apple in California. Okay, basically you have these. You have this nice sticker, but I don't know usually what do you do with the sticker. Do you apply it on the logo? I really don't know. Okay, we will have to read the manual a little later. Okay, so this is the box. Let's keep the box here and then we will open the laptop on this. Okay, guys, look at the logo, look at the color. Oh my God, it is light rose gold. It's proper rose gold. Look at the color. Oh my God, this is so beautiful, guys. This is exactly the color it is. Okay, especially the unboxing for my YouTube family. This is so cute. Look at this, guys. Definitely this is actually so handy. It's not like your big laptops where you cannot carry it. Okay, so there is hello in all the languages. I do not know much of the languages, but you know, this is so nice. I'm so happy with this. I was actually, you know, seeing a lot of unboxing, and I really wanted to buy this laptop since a long time. Otherwise I would have gone for the HP laptop, but Mac is it. So I am going to buy accessories for this. So I have bought one accessory, which is the laptop sleeve, basically with a zip. So I don't know how do you know shut down this. I have to read a lot of, you know, on the manual, or I will have to go through a lot of videos. Okay, let's see the logo. Say the sticker is this, and the logo is quite big. I hope there are no scratches, please. I do not want any scratches on the logo. Hmm. This is so good. Namaste. Hey. Okay, this is before, okay, while it starts, this is a lot more smooth, but I always use, you know, I was all this while I was using HP and Lenovo. That was actually my office laptop, but this is the first time that I purchased for myself. Okay, which language should I be selecting? I think select English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh God, guys, I think I'll press. Okay, I think I need to press this. But how do I select this? Not able to select this. Okay, country is India. Proud to be a Hindustani. Okay, you press this. Okay, guys, for all you people who have just bought your
Mac
MacBook.
OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and...
No. Okay, what do I do? Okay, you basically have to press this. It's not like... Okay, continue. Guys, I'm so bad with all these things. Okay, I'm going to see a few setting up videos. Okay, then maybe I'll guide you guys, because this is, I think I might go wrong. I do not want to go wrong. So just, the battery is, I don't know what percentage it is. Okay, let me quickly show you the sleeve that I bought. Yay, this is my black sleeve. So again, this is from the brand, which brand is this? Riva case. And this retails for 3000 something. Okay, 3499. This is it has sponge on both the sides, inside and out, so that your laptop is resting peacefully. Okay, that is how smooth it is. You can see how smooth it is also. This is more than 13 inch, a little more than 13 inch, where it has space, it doesn't get stuck, and the zip is nice. So you should definitely get this case for your sleeve, for your Mac book. This is very nice, guys. I got it all in the mall only, so you guys can also check this out. Okay, let me do some homework, and I'm gonna buy some accessories for my MacBook. Okay, and then I'm gonna start off. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. I'm gonna give a lot of inputs on my Mac book on how to be using, and what I'm gonna be doing a little research, because I do not want to hamper the experience, user experience. And also I think this one, right, the logo is sensitive, so be a little careful, like there shouldn't be any scratches. You can see it's taking the print and all of that. So thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.